Hi there, I'm Neil Sinclair, founder of LibAbun. We're Liberators of Abundance. We're business growth specialists. We specialise in helping plumbers grow their plumbing businesses. So let me just take a minute to explain to you what the Business Success Platform is all about. Look, the Business Success Platform is really bringing together 4 critical services that every business needs really to be successful in their business. And for your service-based business, it is a CRM system set up specifically for your service-based business. It is also connecting the CRM system to your website and your social media channels. And it's also your accounting and bookkeeping services as well. Those 4 things need to work together in order to help you optimize your business opportunities and get the most out of your business. So let's talk a little bit more about that. First of all, your CRM system. Look, we are certified partners with a number of CRM systems, but for your service-based business, we would recommend you use ServiceM8. ServiceM8 is set up specifically for trades, plumbers, electricians, etc. So we can set up ServiceM8 specifically for your needs, and what we do is we coordinate that. We set up specific systems in your business to give you maximum output from your business and increase productivity in order to save you time, reduce your quoting times down, convert more customers, coordinate your team a lot better. You can track your team online, and it just increases your whole productivity and the whole business ethos within your team, should you have one, or even as you grow your team. Okay, so this is a fantastic tool, and we offer you the opportunity to book a slot with us later on to show you a bit more about how ServiceM8 can work best for your business and how we provide a fantastic service to help you grow. So some of the things that are included within the ServiceM8 support from us is, look, you get GPS tracking system for team and to notify your customers when you're on your way to their job. Integrated ServiceM8 phone, email, SMS and CRM to manage your business via the internet. So even the phone can be via the internet, so not your typical phone. So and that's also done through your mobile. So ServiceM8 set up for iOS, so for iPhone and iPads. Okay. Online booking system for customers to book appointments online, so they can book it in their own time if there's vacancies in your calendar to do so. It also allows you to keep your customers in the loop before and after each job. So you let them know when you're on the way to the job, and also for follow-up afterwards. How's the job still? Is everything okay? Ask them for referrals and reviews online. All those sort of things are done and automated within the ServiceM8 service that we provide you. You can manage jobs and staff through the online scheduler. Okay, so you have a shared calendar and an online schedule on there with a line for each team member you have and what jobs they're doing on that day, and you can coordinate that from just looking at one page as opposed to having to go and look at multiple different calendars, through Google Calendar or something like that. So fantastic efficiencies there. You can quote an invoice on site through your mobiles or through your iPad while you're out in the field. Okay, you can also capture signatures while you're in the field for your jobs that have been done. So if you need your customers to sign off jobs, etc., you can take those on the field as well. You can record any notes, photos, and videos for each job you do for your customers on the customer's file. So, just imagine when you're out there doing the job, you can take before and after photos. So, what was the state of the place when you first arrived there? What was the state of the place when you left? So you've got a record of those things, and you can use those before and after photos also in your social media channels. So we manage those for you as well. So Facebook, Instagram, whatever channels you're using there. So we set those things up for you to make sure you're getting the best opportunities possible from using the ServiceM8 tool and linking that to your website and the other apps as well. We complete PDF forms. So you imagine all the different certificates you need out there. So your gas certificates, you got boiler maintenance certificates. There's all these sort of things. You can keep a record of these. It also allows you to take photos of any serial numbers for any equipment or installation of any major equipment you have, and you keep that on the client's records as well, so you can instantly look those up online, and also the warranties, etc., and keep record of those also. You can accept credit cards and debit cards out in the field via the phone, okay, via the ServiceM8 system. You can sync with your accounting system. So since we are Xero specialists, so look, our accounting team make sure all your bookkeeping and your accounting is done for you in the field. We update that every week for you as part of the service we provide. You manage your whole business through an integrated PC, iPhone and iPad system with your people out in the field and any office staff you have as well. It's a fantastic system that allows you to massively increase your productivity, will save you vast amounts of time as a business owner, and like the many plumbers that we've worked worked with over the years. It will stop those ridiculous hours where you're coming back after the hours and doing all these quotes and burning the candle. A lot of that will disappear by using ServiceM8 through the services we provide. So just to sum up what I've just told you, we save you vast amounts of time, we increase your whole team's productivity, massively improve team coordination and communication with the customers, we get your quotes out a lot faster, you convert more jobs, and basically help you grow your business, increase your cash flow and your productivity. Now we sync that ServiceM8, all those things from ServiceM8, we sync that with your social media, so it helps you get better quality leads in. We sync it with your website stuff because we do your website as well, and we also sync it with your accounting and bookkeeping package as well, so we're making sure that you're the most tax efficient possible and you're increasing your profitability as much as possible, so you're making as much profit as possible and paying as little tax as possible throughout the year. We also do our website. So look, we make sure we've got website specialists in our business services agency here. We will set up and optimize your website for you to make sure that it's linked to your CRM system. Got all the right web forms in there, so any entries or leads you get are going straight into your CRM system and you get notified of those leads straight away. We also optimize your SEO for your local area, okay, for the areas you're operating in, and particularly in the services or the products you're doing, whether that's boiler maintenance, boiler installation, bathroom installation, central heating installations, whatever it is you're doing. So we find out the range of products and services that you're offering as a plumber, and we make sure that your website is optimized to attract all the local leads for that in your respective area. Our accounting and bookkeeping service starts with actually looking at your business model and what's the best business setup for you and your family situation. Okay, so should you be a sole trader or a limited liability company? We've got lots of blogs on that on our website about the best options for you. It will also depend on your family makeup. So do you have a partner at the moment? Are they a shareholder of your business or not? Are they also working elsewhere, and what sort of tax bracket are they on? Do they get paid money from you? Is it more efficient to do that, or with dividends, or just you as a sole trader taking the money in? What is the best way, the most tax efficient way for you to structure that in accordance with your growth goals? So we'll sit down and review that with you as part of our process. We'll also, as part of our accounting and bookkeeping service, we do all your annual accounts for you, including any personal tax returns for you or any shareholders you have in the business. We do, if you're VAT registered, we do your sales tax returns every quarter, okay? And we also do your reconciling of your business invoices and your receipts as well. So we automate all that through a couple of online packages that we use as part of our proprietary system here. Okay, so basically we take away all your accounting and bookkeeping concerns, and we do those things for you, and we give you a monthly report on a monthly P&L and a cash flow statement to let you know your current situation, and we'll do quarterly returns for you as well. And we have a quarterly focus on your business growth goals to make sure you're hitting your profit targets and your cash flow targets within your business, so we know you're growing, and we're doing our bit to making sure you're making a profitable go of what you're aiming to do, and through our support. Our Liberator website support team are SEO specialists. So what we'll do is we'll set up your website correctly. Okay, so if you've already got a website, fine, we'll have a look at it to make sure it is set up correctly, and we'll make sure you've got all the right keywords on there. And then, look, we find that most plumbers out there if they've got a website, the website's okay when you look at the front end, but when we look at the back end of it, it hasn't been set up correctly from an SEO perspective. So you haven't got the right keywords in there, or the meta tags, or the right meta descriptions in there for everything to help you maximize everything. You're not having any rich text in there. You haven't got an FAQs page on your website. There's a range of things we need to be putting on there for a local SEO maximization. We tie that in to your Google My Business. We set that up for you if you haven't done so already, as well as we make sure it's attached to your Google Analytics and your Google Search Console, so we can look at what's working and what's not working. So our website support team, our Liberators there, what we do is we provide you with a monthly report on what pages are doing well and what aren't doing so well, and we'll do some recommended tweaks on that, and if you give us a thumbs up, we'll go ahead and do that. Now, so all the support, the CRM support with a Liberator doing that, we've got our website support with a Liberator doing that, and we've also got our accounting support with the bookkeeping for all your receipts, as well as your invoices, and doing your quarterly reports, your sales reports if you're VAT registered, as well as your annual returns and your personal tax returns as well. All those services are included as one package, because they all need to be synced together and focused on your business growth goals. So let's talk about what you get from our Business Success Platform and what it provides for you. First of all, you get a pre-built CRM system set up specifically for your plumbing business. This comes complete with all your marketing, sales and customer services campaigns all built out, as well as any updates that comes out as we develop those as well. We will greatly simplify your quoting and invoice systems and automate much of the follow-up so that you get informed online when prospects have viewed and accepted your quotes. You can turn those quotes into invoices with the click of a button and even book in the job all from your mobile. You'll get your own LibAbun CRM Liberator assistant who will manage your CRM campaigns for you. Your CRM Liberator will also make sure you get all the training and advice to professionally use our CRM to increase your productivity and sales, save you time, allowing you to focus on your day job activities. We will review your current website or set up a new website to ensure you have a website that is optimized for local searches for the products and services you offer and to improve your search rankings and the quality of your leads. You'll get your own LibAbun website Liberator who will provide you with monthly reports and recommendations for ongoing amendments to optimize your site. Any amendments are part of our monthly service fee, so there will be no additional charges once you're set up. Our Accounting Liberators will review and set up your business structure so that it is the most tax efficient as possible. We will provide you with all your annual accounts and tax returns, VAT returns and monthly financial reports to review our financial progress towards your business goals. You'll get assigned a LibAbun Bookkeeping Liberator who will perform your accounts data entry and reconcile all your sales and business expenses on a weekly basis. This saves again you a lot of expense by paying someone else to do this and saves you a vast amount of time if you're doing it yourself. You'll also get access to business coaching and training that will help you develop your business leadership and management skills. You'll learn how to become a lot more productive and efficient at what you and your team does. We are focusing on achieving your business goals as quickly as possible. We will save you a vast amount of admin time and hassle. We'll increase your productivity, your sales, improve your cash flow and your profitability. Ultimately, we will increase the value of your business and we will give you total peace of mind and more confidence as a business owner. Now, what is all that worth to you? Finally, you'll get all this value delivered to you for less than the cost of an admin assistant each month. Now, that is a win-win-win. So I ask you to consider, what does it currently cost you, or would it cost you if you were to pay for individually a accounting service? So think about what your accountant costs you on an annual basis. What would it cost you for a bookkeeping service where they do all your reconciling for and all your data entry for your accounts, as well as the online accounting software? What would it cost you for website design and hosting services? Think about what you could or are paying for that at the moment. What does it cost you for any website amendment service? So if you wanted to make amendments to your website pages and any monthly reporting you're getting on to help you maximize and optimize your website performance. What does it cost you for a CRM setup and the training for the CRMs? There's lots of different CRM systems out there. What does it cost you for business marketing and sales automation? What is it worth to you to have all that in place as far as saving time, let alone the increase in sales, etc.? And finally, what does it cost for you for business growth coaching and training? What would you pay a business coach for that sort of support these days? All this is included in the package that we're offering you today from the Business Success Platform. A couple of other frequently asked questions people have when I'm first communicating with them. Look, because we do believe in win-win-win, we don't tie you in for any contracts. Okay, so we have all our clients on a rolling monthly agreement. You're going to stay with us for as long as you're getting value, and we're looking at your marketing numbers, we're looking at your sales numbers, we're looking at your profitability numbers, because we're managing all those as part of the service we provide through our Liberators here. We know whether you're making a profit or not. We know what you're doing, and therefore we know whether you're getting a good ROI on what we're doing. Okay, so we will present that to you every month so you know the numbers as well as part of our overall reporting process. In order for you to understand what we do and how we do things and to see the competence of what we're doing, we offer you a complimentary business growth audit. Now, this business growth audit's about a 2-hour audit. You sit down with me, and when I say sit down, it's a Zoom call, so we do it online. And we go through and look at all your business growth goals, what you're currently doing in your business, and what are the opportunities to grow your business. And we give you a lot of free advice on that during that complimentary session, which is a 2-hour long session. Now, you may be wondering, why would we do that? Why would we give that to you for free? Well, there's a number of reasons why. First one is, as liberators of abundance, we believe the best way to show you we can help you is by actually helping you. Okay, so we always play win-win-win. Win-win-win for us is it's good for you, it's good for us, and it's good for the greater good. Now, in order to determine those three things, we want to first of all find out what you're doing in your business, and we make sure it's going to be good for you. We want to make sure you're going to be good for us. In other words, the ideal client for us, and can we help you? So look, we offer all our clients a 26-week profit guarantee. So we guarantee to increase your monthly gross profits by more than your monthly investment in our business success package. If we don't do that within 26 weeks, our services are free after that until we've achieved it. So look, we don't want to have to give away our services for free, so we want to be confident we can deliver on that. And we want to make sure it's good for the greater good. So, we're liberating abundance, not just for you and not just for us, but also for the wider community as well. So we're going to make your business more efficient and you better at your business, so your customers get a better experience as well, and they get things done on time, and all the other things that, plumbers are notoriously bad for or struggle with is sorting out their business model, because you've got so many different balls to juggle. We're going to help you solve all those issues and make it a win-win-win situation. That's all part of the LibAbun brand, Liberators of Abundance. So if you're a plumber who's a business owner and you're looking to grow your business and you want to go to the next level, then I invite you to fill out a web form below and book an appointment with me to actually go through a business growth audit with us. Okay, now look, I only want to speak to you if you're the business owner. Okay, I need to speak to the decision maker, because I want to review the whole business model, including your business makeup and what you're looking to achieve. We need to understand your business growth goals so that we can focus on the right things for you to help your business grow. So if you like what you hear so far, I invite you to again click on the button below, fill out that web form, book a time with me to arrange an initial call, just a 15-minute chat to find out a little bit more about you, what you're doing. I will then send you a questionnaire out via email, which will take you about 10 minutes to complete. We'll then arrange a 30-minute phone call for me to go through and look at all your goals there with you just on a phone call. Okay, and then from there, I'll arrange the business growth audit, which is the 2-hour audit after, and we can do that after hours if need be. So if everything I've talked to you about today sounds very interesting for you, I invite you to fill out the form below and see if you can become part of the LibAbun Business Success Platform community.